Letter B, grade level awards. So, under grade level award, at the end of the school year, the Academic Excellence Award is given to learners from grades 1 to 12 who have obtained a general average of at least 90 and passing final grade in all learning areas. So, meaning, wala siyang bagsak. And of course, wala siyang line of 7 kakabsat. The general average is reported as a whole number following the DepEd Order number 8 series of 2015. The class advisors will give to the awards committee list of qualified learners to be awarded during a school ceremony. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa lahat ng mga mag-aaral, mga guro at mga parents na nanonood sa atin na magkakaroon tayo ng deliberation. So, lahat ng mga teachers nandun sila para sa lahat ng grade level. So, doon, pag-uusapan namin kung qualified ba talaga ang bata. So, talagang i-confirm ng bawat subject teacher na talagang very deserving si Juan de la Cruz para sa academic award na ito.